Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the honorable judges and all participants. My name is Kadek Dwi Cita Maharahayuni. I'm the representative of SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara. It's such a very great opportunity for me to deliver my speech entitled, Remote Learning is the Only Solutions for New Normal. Ladies and gentlemen, COVID-19 has had huge impact on everyone, but it's been particularly hard on kids and students. School closure this year affected 1.5 billion students worldwide. One day, they were in the classroom, but in the next day, they were isolated at home. Social distancing, it's difficult for young people who build their identity around relationship with their friends and peers. So, the most need for technology to enable digital learning has never been greater. It's a massive challenge for school to pivot rapidly to remote learning upskill teacher. Remote education is not the same, but it can be effective. The existence of this remote learning or online learning is one of the efforts to reduce the transmissions of COVID-19. According to research, students retain 25 to 65% more material when they study online. But I think that's not the fact, because not a few students around us are very overwhelmed with this remote learning. Whether it's network, technology, or economy problems, and so on. I'll give you an example. Mom, could you please help me to make my assignment? I don't understand about it. Oh my God, I'm so confused. And what? Of course, she will help me to make my assignment, but not teach me how to get the right answer of my assignment. That was easy, you know. Teacher wouldn't know that the assignment assigned to me had been done by my mother. They only needed to give me grades. So, in the other words, new normal learning also has a bad impact on students. We took for another example. Have you ever think about the fate of students in remote areas with bad internet access? And what about the fate of students who don't have gadgets because they're like economic? So the questions right now is, what would we do? Ladies and gentlemen, so the solutions that we might try is, first of all, we need to recognize that our current school system is a spread bolt-on library of services that need move from that towards learning communities, which provide by learning continuity by bringing many services together. Do you know, like many applications created by school as learning media? And then the second thing we need to do, we need to stop with the intense focus on marks and grades. We need to give up the ledge table style comparisons between school and more focus on the quality of students' learning. So, they will understand about the material provided. The third thing we need to do is from my own self, especially for students who has bad internet connections or who don't have gadgets because they're like economic. Maybe school can try to give them assignment or material at school, and if they finish to make it, they can collect it back to school, of course with health protocol. So, in short, we need learning communities which focus on learning capabilities for facing the remote learning for the new normal. So, the education will be continuous and also health protocol can be implemented as to help to minimize the transmissions of COVID-19 in Indonesia and even in the world. Finally, this is the end of my speech. Thank you so much for your attention. Don't forget to implement social distancing, wear your mask, and then wash your hand and have a good day.